Instructions for using the S96 drone. Turn on the drone. Distinguish between the front and back sides of the battery. When disassembling, press and hold the bottom button of the battery to remove it. Remote control lever installation. Take out the lever corresponding to the same position and insert it into remote control and drone frequency synchronization. After turning on the power switch of the body, place the drone on a horizontal surface, and the remote control indicator light and drone LED light flash. Push the throttle lever to the top, and then pull it back to the lowest point. When DI and DI sound twice, the remote control indicator light and drone LED light will turn on normally, and frequency synchronization is completed. Calibration of remote control. If the drone cannot ascend vertically during takeoff, can calibrate drones. Pull the left and right control levers together into an outer 8. Hear the sound of DI. At this point, the drone indicator light quickly flashes. Wait for the indicator light to remain on. Calibration completed. When executing the calibration command, it must be executed in a smooth state parallel to the horizontal line. Otherwise, it will affect the correction effect. 1 button to take off, 1 button to land. Press the 1 key takeoff button. The drone blades rotate. Automatically fly to an altitude of 1.5 meters. Press the 1 button landing button, and the UAV will land automatically. Basic flight. Push the left joystick upwards to raise the drone. Pull down the left joystick to lower the drone. Push the left joystick to the left, and the drone will turn left. Push the left joystick to the right and the drone will turn to the right. Push the right joystick upwards to move the drone forward. Pull down the right joystick, and the drone will move backwards. Push the right joystick to the left, and the drone flies to the left. Push the right joystick to the right, and the drone will fly to the right. Lighting. The remote control comes with its own light. When the power switch is turned on, the remote control emits blue light on both sides. When turned off, the lights on both sides turn off. Roll. After the drone reaches an altitude of over 3 meters, click the roll button and move the right joystick, directional rudder, in one direction to achieve a roll action in that direction. Hover. After using the left joystick to raise the drone will still hover at the height when the left joystick is released. Obstacle avoidance mode. Press the button to activate obstacle avoidance mode. Press again to turn off obstacle avoidance mode. Avoiding obstacles on all sides. Step back in the opposite direction to the obstacle. It is recommended to activate the obstacle avoidance function in an indoor flight environment with a length and width of 6 meters by 6 meters or more. When the drone activates the obstacle avoidance mode, the speed will slow down and the fast gear cannot be activated. Therefore, it is recommended to fly indoors when activating the obstacle avoidance mode. Fine-tuning function. When the drone rotates or leans in different directions in the air, fine-tuning correction actions can be used. After pressing the fine-tuning button and hearing a DI sound, then move the control lever in the opposite direction to adjust and calibrate until the drone does not deviate. If no operation is performed within 5 to 6 seconds after entering fine-tuning, the fine-tuning function will automatically exit. Download the drone app. Scan the system QR code corresponding to the instruction manual and download and install it. Open your phone's Wi-Fi. Connect the signal sent by the drone. Open the drone app after successful Wi-Fi connection. Introduction to mobile phone installation. Open the phone holder on the remote control. Install the phone on the phone holder. Installation of protective frame. Align the protective frame with the arm and install it until it is in place. Installation of wind blades. Align the fan blade with the motor shaft and install it. The arm identification should be consistent with the fan blade identification. Tighten the screws clockwise. Drone battery charging. Connect the USB charger to the battery and USB charging interface. The LED lights up when charging and goes out when charging ends. The charging time is about 60 minutes.